The Felder CF 531 5-function combination machine. Planing and thicknessing, trimming, format and miter cutting, molding and mortising are all done with unbelievable precision along with the fastest changeover times. The CF 531 surface planer features solid cast iron tables designed for durability and consistent precision results. The total length of the planer table is 1,500 mm, and with tool-free mountable Felder table extensions, it can be extended further to up to 3,000 mm. The anodized planer fence covers the entire 310 mm planing width and can be continuously adjusted between 90 and 45 degrees for joining and beveling. In its standard version, the CF 531 is equipped with a 2-knife Felder cutter block. This self-setting cutter block system with reversible blades allows for quick cutter block change within minutes without the need for expensive adjustment tools. Upon request, the CF 531 can be equipped with a 4-knife Felder cutter block or with the innovative Silent Power spiral blade cutter block. The Silent Power spiral cutter block reduces noise emissions by more than half when planing, and with a continuous pulling cut, ensures tear-free results when planing all types of wood. Thanks to the quality of the tungsten carbide blades, Silent Power cutter blocks reach a blade life up to 20 times higher than that of HSS blades. Moreover, each individual carbide blade has 4 cutting edges that can be quickly switched by simply turning one at a time. As a result, the Silent Power spiral blade cutter block is easy on your wallet. The CF 531 can be converted from a surface planer to a thicknesser in a matter of seconds in just a few simple steps. The planer tables are hinged towards the center of the machine, thus ensuring an ergonomically efficient workflow during thicknessing operations. The solid cast iron thicknessing table with a planing width of 306 mm guarantees maximum loads and perfect machining of large and heavy workpieces. The table length of the thicknessing table is 540 mm and can be extended to 1,540 mm on the receiving side using the Felder table extension, which can be mounted without tools. The continuously adjustable thicknessing height is set by hand wheel between 4 and 220 mm. For even more comfort and accuracy, the hand wheel can be upgraded with an integrated digital clock. Fine adjustments in the accuracy range of 1/10 of a millimeter are done quickly, easily, and with high precision. Core of the saw spindle molder of the CF 531 is the Felder format sliding table with X-roll precision guiding technology, which comes with a 10-year Felder warranty. The high-quality guiding technology, X-roll, offers unparalleled operating smoothness and is completely maintenance-free. The X design of the position of the roller bearings ensures that they move smoothly along hardened guides. The standard cutting length of the anodized sliding table is 1,000 mm, on request 1,300, 1,550 mm, and with the optional professional package, even 2,050 mm, or if you wish, to 2,500 mm. In addition, the professional package includes an outrigger table to process oversized and heavy workpieces. An outrigger table can, of course, be added to the standard equipment. On the other hand, the Felder table extension system provides an additional support surface on the sliding table. The circular saw unit receives main saw blades with diameters between 250 and 315 mm. On request, a scoring unit ensures professional processing of laminated panel materials. Maximum cutting height is 103 mm. The cutting height adjustment and angle setting between 90 and 45 degrees is conveniently done by hand wheel. An additional option allows the CF 531 to be prepared for the use of special dado tools. Instead of the saw blade, the dado tool is fitted on the saw arbor, allowing continuously adjustable grooving, mortising and slotting between 8 and 19.5 mm in width. In just a few steps, the planing fence can be repositioned to a rip fence for the sliding table saw. The continuously adjustable cutting width ranges from 0 to 800 millimeters. For moulding work, the saw blade is lowered under the table and the moulder spindle is brought into working position with the 30mm tool receiving socket. On request, further spindle diameters or the Felder MF spindle shaft quick change system can be ordered as standard equipment. The MF spindle shaft quick change system allows the use of various spindle diameters and a shank milling cutter spindle. The large usable moulding spindle height of 100mm is standard. Moulding tools up to 180mm can be lowered under the spindle table. The maximum moulding tool diameter is 220mm when using the spindle fence. 4 different cutting speeds between 3000 and 10,000 RPM allow the correct speed to be set for each moulding tool diameter. The Felder spindle fence 220 can be positioned easily and quickly. The removable spindle fence plate can be adjusted precisely between -5 and +25mm for special moulding operations. On request, the multi-fine adjustment system allows for fine and repetitive positioning. The Felder CF 531 can be equipped with a horizontal mortiser for dowel work, mortising of mortise locks and much more. The drilling tool is picked up by a mortising chuck, which is also mounted on the cutter block. As with all Felder machines, the CF 531 can be equipped with a rolling carriage so that large projects can be realised even in very small workshops. Be it planing, sawing, milling or drilling, connections for dust and chip extraction are available for all operations. You will find suitable extraction units in the Felder Group product range. The CF 531 combines 5 standalone machines in one compact, powerful woodworking centre and offers premium professional performance and versatility for many years to come. To find out more about how the Felder CF 531 could revolutionise your workshop, visit our website